2025 Cruisin the Coast Pascagoula. And look, there's a second gen Camaro, so I gotta, let's start over there. You know, you can't go bad starting the morning out with a second gen. A GTA, oh yeah, I like that too. Yeah, so 2025 Cruisin the Coast Pascagoula stop. There is, how many stops are there, Vinny? 8? 8. There are 8 stops, I want to say. 55 miles of coast that you can cruise, and 30 miles of it, I think what he said, is unobstructed views of the coast. But this is the farthest one east, I want to say. So my plan is, now that everything's open and rolling and all that, our plan is, Vinny and I are going to start on the east end and work our way west over the next 3 days and try to make sure that we cover as many as we can. And I would like to make sure that we cover any, like Wayland. We've never done Wayland. I want to go do Wayland just so I can see what it's about. So if it's one that I haven't covered in the past, because you know I'm at the mall a couple times all the time, I got my favorites, but we're going to try to get them all. Today is Thursday, October 9th? I don't know, Thursday, beginning October there. The Thursday that Cruisin the Coast is rolling. And we're just out doing what you do at Cruisin the Coast, and that's cruise. So it's not a static event, to those of you that are unfamiliar with how Cruisin the Coast works. It is not a static event. It is a actual cruising event. It's not like going to a World of Wheels where you pull into a building and people come to you. It's kind of an event that you get out, drive your car, go from one little town to another, hang out with friends, eat good food, listen to a little music, and look just how beautiful it is here. I mean, the backdrop for Cruisin the Coast is one of the most beautiful. Hey, listen, I'm from the Smoky Mountains, so I know beauty, right? I know what it's like to drive through a postcard every day. But the Gulf Coast of Mississippi has its own draw. And I'm going to walk us out to this fence out here so that you can see not only some cool cars, but just how beautiful it is. And this is just one of like 8 things going on today. I saw a number this morning that as of yesterday, there was 9950 registered. So we were 50 away from hitting 10,000 yesterday. Boy, that's a sharp caddy. We were 50 away from hitting 10,000 yesterday. And of course, as live videos go, in my lack of planning, I bring you to where there's where there's a construction zone on the beach. But as you can see, that is not the norm. The norm is just beautiful, calm water, piers that you can walk out on. You can pull off to the side of the road here, and no, you can't. It's just no parking. Don't listen to me. So, anyways, you can pull off you can park somewhere, and you can just walk right to the beach, go to the ocean. Just be careful you don't stand in a anthill pile like I was just a second ago. What would I do without Vinny? I'd be ate up with ants right now. It might have made a funny video though, of me over here screaming with the fire ants all over me. But yeah, I was just standing there, and yeah, now he made me aware that I was very close to getting ate up. Weather is improving, because this year that's been a big topic of conversation. Sunday, Monday, yeah, the weather was rainy, and Sunday actually got some events shut down early. But now, sun shines out, we got a nice breeze. The temperatures this morning was 70 degrees. It was actually a little cool this morning. So, The weather's good. The crowds are good. Cruising the Coast is always good. And we'd love to see you. It goes on till, well, it really goes on to Saturday night. Sunday is awards and things like that. So you got a couple more days. A couple of shout outs. ET Motor Gear, the official swag of Cruising the Coast. If you're buying it on the side of the road, it's not helping the show, and it's probably going to fall apart the first time you wash it. So, ET Motor Gear, those are the trailers you're looking for. They will be at just about every stop, if not every stop, for the rest of the week. I don't know if you can see it over there, but Vinny's green Camaro, that is my ride for the rest of the week. And I'm going to try to do at least 2 lives a day. So we started out here in Pascagoula, Mississippi, and I'm not sure where we're going to go next, but y'all make sure you got your notices set. And hey, if you're out at Cruising the Coast looking for a great place to come, don't be afraid to take the road all the way down here. It's a very nice drive. Vinny and I just did it this morning. It's a nice drive. There wasn't a lot of traffic. We came right into town. As you can see, it's absolutely a gorgeous park where they hold this event at. And I know it's not one of the ones that are super packed. So if you want to sit up under a shade tree and drink a Mountain Dew Zero, this is a good place to do it. And Cruising the Coast is always a good place to be at. Hope to see you all. If you see me out shooting videos, say hi. Guys, be safe out there. From the 2025 Cruising the Coast Pascagoula stop. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya.